Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable new recall AI feature on your Windows 11. So this is the new AI feature rolling out in your Windows 11 PC. So for this guys, if you want to enable it, you need to open your Windows settings like this. Okay, in the Windows settings guys, here in the left panel here you can get the privacy and security option. Just click and open it. From here we need to open the recall and snapshot. Just open it like this, and then in the next screen here you can get the option save snapshot. Just need to enable this option. That's it. Now recall AI feature was enabled on your PC. In case this feature is not showing on your setting page at the time, what you need to do, you need to update your Windows 11 to the latest version. So this is the latest update of Windows 11. So for this guys, first you need to update your PC. Go to Windows update. From here click on check for updates and please update your PC. So that's all today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.